In this video, I'm going to be revealing what is the easiest way to earn money with affiliate marketing. And to be honest, guys, this strategy, you can use it to promote almost anything. And this is a strategy that you can use to grow your email list, which is the most important asset on your business, earn commissions, and don't worry, you don't need to be posting on social media, you don't need to be creating content, but this is not something magical. This is something that you need to do on a daily basis if you really want to get results. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you are interested, don't forget to subscribe to your channel and hit the notification bell, because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be revealing the easiest way to earn money with affiliate marketing. By the way, guys, if you're really serious about learning how you can do affiliate marketing in a profitable way, I'm going to be leaving a link below in which you're going to be able to check my ebook. Okay, in my ebook, I'm going to be revealing some strategies and some cool stuff. So check that link because I'm not 100% sure how long I'm going to have that ebook for free. So now let me show you everything step by step. First of all, we are going to be needing to something that we can promote. In my case, I love to use a website that is called ClickBank. So you can go and you can create your account here on clickbank.com. Okay, you're gonna go here and you're gonna be using this site, which is start here. Okay, you're gonna be an affiliate. It's for some reason you are like, I don't want to use ClickBank. I cannot use ClickBank. Don't worry, there are other alternatives. You can use JBZoo, Warrior Plus, DStore24, or you can actually use, private affiliate products. Okay, so I'm gonna be using ClickBank just to show you this training and this tutorial, so you can have an idea of what actually you're going to be looking for on the products or services that you're going to be promoting. So after you create your account, you're going to see that ClickBank has a huge marketplace with tons of categories as seen on TV. Yep, as you hear right, as seen on TV: business and investing, cooking, food, wine, education, fiction, games, home gardening, and more. Okay, so I like to go with the top 3 niches, which is health, wealth, and relationships, because people are really willing to invest because they want to solve a problem. Okay, they're actually looking for a solution. So you can go here where it says if business and marketing. Okay, you can go and use this one, e-business and marketing, and you're gonna see that they do have tons of products. My suggestion, guys, at least if you're using ClickBank, make sure that you're gonna be doing the search by gravity. Okay, you're gonna be doing this gravity high to low. Okay, so everything is gonna be actually ordered that way, from gravity high to low. I already did it, so that's the reason why the screen is actually not changing. So you're gonna see that, for example, we have this product which is live chat jobs. You can earn on average $50. Okay, here we have the get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. On average, it's $18. This is a product that I have been promoting in the past, so I know it really converts. The owner of this product is the same owner of this product, and I'm not 100% sure it's actually a guy, but that person have more products as here. For example, this one, paid online writing, it's actually from the same owner. Okay, so what are we looking is, first of all, we want to be using products in which we're going to be earning good commissions. Okay, chances are that right now you might be confused and you have a lot of opportunities like on ClickBank. Okay, remember, this is affiliate marketing. Okay, you can promote as many products as you want, but don't be jumping from product to product. Stay with one product at the beginning. Okay, and test it for a week or two on the site that I'm going to show you. I'm going to be giving you more than one site. Okay, so you have an idea like, okay, people are actually really liking this information. And also remember that on the back end, you can be promoting other products. Okay, so the most important thing is that we want to make sure that they do have resources. Here on ClickBank, they call them the affiliate page. Okay, we want to make sure that they have the resources on this store 24, on JVSU, on WordPlus. Okay, top product says have an affiliate page. Okay, what can you see on your affiliate page? Well, you can see the name of the offer. You can get to know more about the funnel if they do have more product sets to promote, the landing page, the email swipes, okay, and more information. For example, here you can see that you can earn even $100 per sale, which is actually great commission, 75% conversion. Here is some stuff. This is how actually the funnel works. So people can buy different product sets, and you are going to be earning commission from all those product sets. Okay, so you're going to see that they do have the email swipes. This is something that we're going to be using in a moment. Okay, they do have 20 emails. If for some reason you find a product that you really like and you really believe in, and they are not giving you email swipes, you can create your own. You can go and ask ChatGPT to create emails for you. Okay, that's another resource. Nowadays that the AI, is a huge thing. It's a trend. That's another useful resource. Okay, so now you have the product that you're going to be promoting and all this stuff. Now, where are we going to be promoting it? Because Diana, you told me at the beginning that I'm not going to be creating content on social media. So what I'm going to be doing? Well, you're going to be using a website that's called Worldprofit. Okay, so you're going to go to worldprofit.com. They have been online since 1994. One cool thing is, as you can see here, the Trustpilot. Okay, the score, it's 4.5. So this is actually a trusted website. It's free to join, and you're gonna check more information about it. Okay, so you can have a better idea and all this stuff. But first, we will need to create a username and password, because they are asking us to log in. So how do we actually get started? Well, here on the top right, you're gonna see here where it says our top sites. You are gonna click on this one that says free classified. Okay, this is the one that we're gonna be using, the free classified ads. Okay, that's the one that we're gonna be using, and that's the one, or one of the sites that are going to be doing the magic. So you're going to see that here in the free classified ads, we have tons of categories. You're going to scroll down, and here you are going to type your name, and you're going to type your email address. Then you're going to click here where it says sign up and post ads. You're going to receive an email. You need to make sure that you confirm your email. So you're going to have access to generic user, sorry, not a generic username, it's a generic password. So you can access the website. Okay, you can access website. Remember that here you have the credentials. Also, you are gonna have a login link on the email when you get it. Okay, so this is actually how the back end looks like. Okay, now what you're gonna be doing, you're gonna click here on the left side where it says free classified ads. This is the area that we're gonna be using. And we're also be using this one, place ads free. Okay, that's the one that we're going to be using, because this is what we're going to be doing. Okay, so now when you click on that, there are going to be some ads and stuff. You can skip that, and here you're going to go, and on the top right corner, okay, here on the top right corner, you're going to click here where it says post ads. Okay, the top right here where it says top post ads. Then you're gonna see that you can write your classified ads. Okay, this is something that they have changed. This was not here before. Okay, right now they do not allow, I'm so sorry, they do not allow any tracker URL. Okay, no tracker URL right now. Okay, previously you could do that. So there are several things that you can do this. You can use a raw link. Then what is a raw link? The raw link is, if you click here where it says promote, okay, that's gonna give your ClickBank link. Okay, this is your ClickBank link. You can do that I don't suggest you to do that. My suggestion is go to, for example, System IO. I'm going to be leaving a link below. Okay, you're going to get lifetime access for free. Okay, no credit card required. It's going to be free forever, and you can actually build a system. With the system, what you can do, you can offer multiple products. Okay, you can offer multiple products, and you're gonna see that here you have a title. Okay, Diana, where do I get this? That's one of the main reasons why you're gonna go and you're gonna make sure that the product have an affiliate page. Okay, the title is gonna be the subject. Okay, the title is gonna be the subject. The ad content, okay, it's gonna be the the body of the message. Okay, sometimes they do have this, the PPC ads, okay, or they do have this, the short ads. Okay, you can do those, you can use those resources as well. Okay, here I'm using the short ads. Okay, here they have the SMS ads. You can use this as well. Okay, you can use this as well. Right now, here they have more. They don't have that many. Well, they do. Some products don't have. So again, remember that always you can use ChatGPT, and you can ask ChatGPT like, hey, I want a shorter version. If you're using the email swipes, I want a shorter version of this. Okay, and they can use it. You can also ask ChatGPT to rewrite it. And here you're gonna put the URL. Okay, it can be your raw link, or it can be the system that you're going to be building with System.io. Okay, System.io is easy to use. It's drag and drop, and you're going to be able to collect emails, which at the end of the day give you the opportunity to not only to promote one product, but to promote multiple products. Okay, and you're going to be earning commissions. And again, you're going to have more opportunities, not only with Worldprofit. For example, you can go to site-like.org. Okay, here I have the URL, so you can go to site-like.org. You can paste the URL for Worldprofit, or you can use this one, the freeadforum.com. Okay, the freeadforum.com, and you're gonna have multiple sites that are classified, in which you can actually add your classified ads. Okay, so again, guys, if you want to learn more about this, more strategies and all that stuff, I'm going to be leaving a link below. Okay, it's going to be the very first link in the description. Right now I have a free step-by-step guide. It's friendly, so if you're really interested in this, check out that link. If you have some comments, some questions, leave it in the comment area. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. If you enjoyed this content, give me a thumbs up, and I see you guys on the next video.